most fabulous, beautiful people. Thank you so much for coming back and watching another amazing wig video from Sam's Beauty. I am super excited to try this wig as I really feel like there are so many great aspects of this wig that will work beautifully for everyone. And I so want to thank you all for liking, subscribing, and sharing the video, and also leaving amazing comments and reaching out to me. I appreciate all of you so very much. So let's just get into this wig. So her name is Geneva, and she is actually from OUTRE. So really amazing. When I saw this, I was like, she looks like a little dream with these waves. Getting into it, so she does have HD transparent lace, amazing. And then also it is a fully hand-tied 13x6 frontal. I mean, that right there says do whatever you want and have fun. And then also there's no plugging required because it is such a big frontal. Also there are baby hairs as well. And then also a little added bonus for this wig is it actually has an adjustable elastic strap. So yay. And then also she is heat friendly as well. So let's just take a look at her in her fabulous self. So I actually have her in this kind of like honey blonde color, which is kind of a long one. It's in DR4/T276413. So as you can see, there are multiple colors and these beautiful waves, and she does have a medium brown root. I feel like it's a little more in the ashy, which is really fun. And of course it has just the perfectly integrated blonde pieces. She does come in lots of colors, so definitely you have your choice. I do, of course, when I saw it in this kind of like silvery blonde color, I think it's a pearl, like I was pretty excited about that one, but I decided to go just full blondie with this one. So yeah, so here she is. I'd probably say she's probably around 22 inches or so. As you can see, she has multiple lengths of layers, which is gonna just fall beautifully. And then like, let's just get into like the best part of this wig right here, which is of course the construction of it all. So as you can see, she has the transparent HD lace, our pre-cut baby hairs. Looking at the actual inside, so she has two combs kind of like on the sides of this 13x6 lace front, and then of course she does have a comb in the back, and like I mentioned, she does have this adjustable strap, which I will be using. I love an adjustable strap. It's probably a straight medium. She doesn't have like a giant stretch because there is so much lace in the front. All right, so let's just get this girl on, as I am super pumped about it. I am not gonna wear a wig cap since it does have the band, so I'm just gonna put my hair back easily in a low pony. Straps or anything, I'm just gonna like whip her on. I put my wigs on front to back. And wow, she already feels so good on, like really good, really feeling it already. So let's take a look at this hairline, as I really feel like it is amazing. Okay, so she does have like a little bit of an amped up hairline. And as you can see, like the lace, it kind of comes down to your like your sideburns, if you will. So as you can see, it really is like tracing along your actual, what would be your hairline. This looks actually really amazing. I'm super impressed with how this wig already is constructed, with how it fits on your hairline. So now let's cut off this lace, as I want to mess around with this wig. And beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna take my wig brush right here and lightly brush her out. Oh yes, this is so pretty. Oh, I love it. It just looks extremely real. And then also she had minimal shedding, as you can see right here. Let's just get this like straight down the middle, since it isn't quite down the middle. Now she is heat safe as well, so of course if I did want to wear it down the middle, as you can see it's showing a little bit more volume on this side, so you can either straighten this out, or of course you can amp this side up a little bit more if that's what you would like. But this is so pretty. And then also what's super great about it, it's super light on my head. I don't feel like it is aggressive at all. All right, so let's actually kind of mess around with this parting. So let's put it on this side, which is where I usually part my hair. Oh my gosh. Yes, I mean, just messing with it, like this is my look for sure. I love the sweep. I love these light, bouncy waves. Really love this look. All right, so let's move it on this side. Okay, so this side definitely has a little bit more of a pop up, like kind of cool. Definitely amazing. Like I mentioned, there are so many amazing things about this wig that I feel are great for everyone. First of all, it's very light and comfortable. Second, lots of really great colors to choose from, including very natural colors. Also the transparent lace, the 13x6, of course with the adjustable elastic strap. Absolutely love that. But again, this wig is from OUTRE, which is from Sam's Beauty in the name of Geneva. So I definitely want to know if you have this wig, and please share with me photos of you in this wig or your favorite OUTRE wig. I want to see you all looking fabulous and taking over the world in your wigs and your makeup. So I want to thank you all for watching, and we will see you soon. Bye!